Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a place where you have been to where things are expensive. And the first question is, do you think it is important to look at costs all the time? Yes, it is beneficial to look at costs regularly, but being overly fixated can be detrimental. Overly fixated when you are too much focused on one thing only. In this case, costs. For example, I have a friend who obsesses over every single purchase, even small ones like a rupees 50 lunch. It causes him a lot of stress and anxiety. On the flip side, I have another friend who just spends frivolously with no care, without budgeting at all, which has led to debt problems. The balanced approach is to make a reasonable monthly budget. So, it is important that one makes a monthly budget. So, he or she is not a miser and also not someone who just spends money like frivolously. Okay. Second question is there any place near your home that you find expensive? Yes, in my hometown, the upscale shopping district downtown is extremely expensive. Just window shopping they can be daunting. Daunting can be tough. Okay. The luxury brand boutiques like Chanel, Prada, etc. have handbags that cost $3,000 plus. Even the basic restaurants are very pricey. A basic entree starter at many of them is rupees 500. Okay. Third question is, do you buy expensive items? I do selectively buy some bigger ticket items. Bigger ticket items, expensive stuff. When the value is there. For example, I invested in a really high quality office chair for around $1,000 because I spent so many hours a day sitting at my desk for work. The comfort and ergonomics, how it is handled, okay, how easy it is to use, have been worth it. However, I draw the line at things like outrageously priced designer clothing that is more about flaunting a label than quality. So there are many expensive designer clothes which are not worth it. Okay, the brand value is there, the brand name is there, but the quality goes missing. The fourth and the last question is, what was the most expensive thing you have ever bought? Well, the most expensive purchase I have ever made was my car. It was a Volkswagen luxury SUV that I paid $30,000 for after negotiations. I had been saving up for years because I really wanted something with great safety ratings, all wheel drive for winter driving, and all the modern tech features. Even though it was pricey, I've had it for 5 years with no major issues. Okay, so this was the follow up for describe a place where you have been to where things are expensive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button